Oh my god! Hi angels and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today, you guys.
I have no idea how excited I am today. Okay.
So today, I'm doing my first ever first impression and review on products. Oh my god! I know, you guys have no idea. I'm so excited. Cause like, I don't know, it's just like telling you like what's the tea with something I like or don't like or if it works or not. It's just so fun. And today we are doing a first impression on 3 items. So 3 items costed me $150 and I was like,
$150 for like makeup remover.
first item is the Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melloway Cleansing Balm. This retails for $30. And let me tell you, I have looked everywhere. This thing has been sold out everywhere. So apparently it's like everything. So I'm excited to try this. This eye mask by Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes retails for $60. So this better gives me like some snatched eye, better than a baby's ass. The last thing and a little thing, a serum for the face, which this retails for $50. Okay, so let's jump into today's video. So today I'm gonna go ahead first and start off with this cleansing balm today, which it's supposed to like melt my face away and like give me like a nice cleansing thing. And it's cherries. I love cherries. I want to get a cherry tattoo. I literally want to get a cherry tattoo like on my butt. Oh. I think this is like the cutest thing in like everything. Like the little like spoons is everything. Okay, so how do I do this? I'm gonna grab one of these things. I think I'm gonna go in with this right here. And I'm just gonna like exfoliate my face with it like while I remove it. Does it make sense? So let's see if this really works. So I'm just gonna get a little bit. Oh, by the way, it smells good. I'm just gonna go. Oh, I don't know if I did it right. I'm just gonna put it right there. Just dump it all over my face, just like people do it either way. If you know what I mean. I'm just kidding. Okay, and now I'm just gonna get this little sponge thingy and I'm gonna go. Oh my god! No! Wait, did you really see that? Ready? Wait, what? Okay, hold on, let me just do this to see different. Shut up. Why did it sound British? But shut up. No. One swipe, bitch. She said, not today, bitch. Not today. You're coming off right now. Stop. No. It smells so good too. Stop. It smells like those chapsticks, the cherry one. That's what it smells like. And I think it smells so good. Stop. Everything is off. Okay, what I want to do now is literally just get a towel and just like, if I have any excess. Oh my god, my face feels so nice too right now, actually, like so smooth. No. Now this literally removes my whole face right away. Okay, if you guys haven't tried this, please give it a whirl. This is amazing. This is worth the money. It literally like one swipe and removed everything. Look, I'm not even kidding. One swipe of what I put and it's everything on here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this serum right here. Now let's see. It says to do this in the apply 1-2 drops of cleaning skin in the AM and the PM. So I feel like this is like more like this is. Ooh, this looks like.
What's 2 + 2? Gonorrhea.
This looks like some weird STD serum look like. Okay, so it says 1-2 drops. And then just apply over. And this like supposed to give me like a nice snatched skin. So I want like okay, I'm not even gonna lie though. When it dries down, because it does dry down, it feels like, you know, like have you touched like the porcelain dolls? The way it's like like that type of like smooth finish. This is what it really feels like. It gives you like a nice glow. Like but I'm also like still shooketh from the other one. Look, my makeup is gone. Just like, but yeah, no, this serum feels good. Even though it looked like he had got STDs, it feels good. And now for the last thing, this was the most expensive thing, $70. I was like, but I always have a thing with my under eyes. I was like, this better make me look like the Statue of Liberty on acid, like that good. Okay, not even heavy. Like $70, you better give me like pearl, like heaviness, realness, pussy stunt. Comes with this little thing, which is cute. Ooh, it's so white. I fucks with it. Okay, I'm just gonna grab from here because it has so much. And you're gonna go, and then, Okay, we're being cheap right here. We're being Mr. Scrooge. There we go. Then I'm just gonna massage her in there. And just give her the, like, Hamptons, like, let me close this. And give her, like, the Hamptons summery vibes. What I wanna be this summer. And now I'm gonna give her the same. Because, you know, the eyes trying to look like they just woke up, ready to put a little BB cream on them. And ready to go to the Hamptons. Or Saint-Tropez, whatever you know, whatever kind of money you have. For me, we'll be down the block to the deli for bacon, egg, and cheese, but you know, same thing. Okay. What I like about this cream is like it's not heavy. It's there, but like you don't feel it. It's not so rich, but it's nice, like, and refreshing. Like I can feel like the nice breeze underneath my eyes right now. It looks nice and glowy. Oh, for like my skin after 3 products, I'm not gonna lie. Feels nice and smooth. All these 3 products, as of now, they really make my skin feel like really nice. Like, as you can see, I keep touching it like a dumb bitch I am. I shouldn't, but it feels really nice. Okay, my under eyes feel really nice and awake, and I was just wearing like full face. Let me not talk about this. This deserves everything. Literally, whoosh, everything was up. I was like, I'm living for this. This, the STD looking like, it was good. It made my skin feel like a porcelain doll, and that's what I'm aiming for. Snatched. So, and the eyes, I'm not gonna lie. Rejuvenating, bitch. Anyway, so that was today's first impression. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will definitely get better at it. It was kind of little. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. But definitely, if you guys want to check out these products, definitely do. They're all great and they all work. Especially the makeup remover. Came right off. Like, amazing. So, I will have links in the description if you want to find those products down. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.